Aloha. I'm Dr. Diana Joy Ostroff, and as many of you know, the health of my patients and of this amazing planet is very important to me. And did you know that the most important nutrient that we can put into our body, besides fresh air that we breathe, is water? Now, the water that we get from our tap is city water. It's chemically treated to remove some of the toxins that are inside the water, and it's chemically treated to create a pH that's safe for human consumption. But the key word there is chemically treated. Now, that's why I have been using this wonderful device, this Kangen Water machine, for almost 10 years now. And I recommend it to my patients as one of the most important purchases they will ever make. I'm going to show you a little bit about it, and then you decide for yourself. So the machine is easy to use. You just press the button to turn it on. Actually, the installation is also extremely easy. It takes about 15 minutes, and it hooks up to any faucet. So what's wonderful about this Kangen water machine is that you can drink water that's not only been run through a double charcoal filter to remove substantial toxins and heavy metals, pesticides, fungicides, and other poisons that would otherwise be going into your system. This system will do for you. At the same time, it's going to provide fresh alkaline water to reduce the acidic buildup in your cells. So many of the things that we consume on a daily basis, tea, coffee, rice, fish, many of the things are actually creating acidity within our bodies, even when they're supposed to be healthy. So we have this opportunity to neutralize the acid waste that's accumulating in our cells by drinking alkaline water. When you first get your machine, you have 3 options. The first one is 8.5. That is the lowest level that the machine makes for drinking alkaline water. And you want to drink that for about a week or 2. And what's going to happen is your body is going to start detoxifying itself. The water has a high osmolality. It microclusters. And it's going to go into your brain. And your brain is actually going to feel the effect. You might feel more alert, more alive. Your body's going to be able to produce more serotonin, so you'll sleep better. It's going to produce more flow of your neuropeptides, so you're going to feel more happy and alert and alive and have more energy. And at first, if you drink alkaline water exclusively at the beginning, you're going to start it's going to start detoxifying and allowing the toxins that are built up in your body to be released. That may cause a little bit of a healing crisis. You might get a little headache for a couple of minutes, which will pass. That's why you start with the lowest level, the pH 8. The second level is pH 8.5. And after you've substantially resolved any minor healing crisis that you had from the alkaline water number 8, you go up to 8.5. And then after another 2 weeks, you go to pH 9.5. And that's the water that I drink now and my children drink. And we don't get any kind of side effects anymore. After you've been drinking it a long time, what happens is it creates a nice alkaline establishment in your body, and you feel so much better. But suppose some people in your family don't want to drink alkaline water. Well, there's also a setting for just regular 7.0 water. That's clean, filtered water, but it's not alkalinized. So there is that option. There's also a few more wonderful benefits. There is a level called Beauty Water, and that's level pH 5.5. That's the pH that our skin wants to stay at. And the amazing feature of this machine, this LEVELUK SD501, is that you can use this beauty water to make your skin feel so good. So what I do is I put some into a little spray bottle, and then throughout the day I can spritz myself, and what happens is it feels like my face just sucks up the water and it hydrates it and it creates an astringent effect, like when you're at Macy's or another store where you can pick up toner for your face. Sometimes toners can be $15, $30, even $60 for a bottle of expensive toner. And this machine would provide all of that for you at no additional cost. Just that feature alone makes this machine so, so useful. And then the last one, and one of the most important settings, this is a strong acidic water. And what I like to do, well, I'll give you a demonstration. When you turn on your machine, you're going to have the option of having a regular flow. This is for doing your dishes. Or you can have a nice stream. Or you flip it and then suddenly you have water coming out through your filter and also wastewater coming out of the other hose. Now, when we're on this setting, what happens is that the water, which has been split in its ionic bonds, you'll have your pH 11.5 strong alkaline water coming out of this hose, and the wastewater, acidic 2.5 water coming out of this hose. Now, what I do, and one of the most important features, is when you come home from the supermarket and you have produce, that even if it says it's alkaline or it's organic, you can soak your produce in the strong alkaline water, and you're going to get all those acid pesticides and fungicides and herbicides that are lingering. Even when it says organic, you see all kinds of discoloration, and I see gray just coming off of the produce. Well, that, guess what? I'm going to dump it. I don't want that in my body. I don't want that in my patient's body or my children's body. So I just rinsed all the acid-based pesticides out of my produce using strong alkaline water. And then another amazing feature here is that you can take this water that's supposedly wastewater. Its pH is 2.5, and it isn't wastewater at all. In fact, it smells like ammonia. It smells like Clorox. This is water with a pH of 2.5, and guess what? I can wipe off my countertops. I can soak my toothbrushes. This gets rid of 99.9% of bacteria out of your toothbrush, off your countertops. So those are the most profound functions of my alkaline water machine. One more. When I want to go back and drink water after I've been using the strong alkaline or strong acidic water, I press this. The machine is self-cleaning. So it is going to clean itself out so that I know when it's safe to drink my alkaline water again. And in the meantime, I can wash my dishes with this water. I don't like to waste any, and make good use of it. So those are the functions of this machine. It costs pennies per day for the life of the machine. This LEVELUK SD501 is designed to last 25 5 years. There's no moving parts. It never breaks. I've had mine for 10 years and I had it serviced one time, not because it was broken, just because I thought I would have it checked. It cost $61 to service. And a filter, replacement filter, you can get after every 1 to 2,000 gallons of usage, maybe once a year or every other year. And this is great for the whole family. I like to fill up some recyclable containers and keep them out so that I always have fresh alkaline water to drink from, and so do my children. And we fill up the reusable, recyclable bottles. No need to have plastic floating in our ocean. If we don't need to, we have to take care of ourselves while we take care of our planet. If you have any other questions about how you can get your very own alkaline water machine, SD501, you please do give us a call. Aloha.